Christ! What the What the actual
At least that's what I remember reading back in the day. That was pretty well known for a while. Maybe it's because of this. Siegel has claimed that he helped train CIA agents in Japan.
Is there anything, with that, is there anything on there? I'm on his website trying to find it. I think at one point he claims that he defused a bomb during a terrorist situation and was like a national hero for it.
Honda Link Assist will call emergency services after the countdown is completed.
Oh, God damn it. Damn it!
Are you filming that?
Yeah.
Camera!
No, let him handle it.
Video lock.
Because he's a doctorate in Arabic. He got a job at the Library of Congress. So he's back in the stacks. This is going somewhere, I promise. He's back in the stacks. So those are the books no one has access to. And he finds
I'm not familiar enough with Mulder's career. I just know it was outstanding. It was, I think his best years were behind him, but he was still part of the championship club or class in Toronto was the pitch. Fouled straight back. It's 1-2 on Lucas, right fielder, batting left-handed. So again, trivia contest at Neil Solons at Race Radio. Name the two players for the Blue Jays to win.
moving. Idiot.
Turn right onto Steeles Avenue East.
Holy
Jesus Christ, man.
Gracias, güey. ¿Qué diablos pasó aquí?
The entrance right up here takes you to the front of the school. Really, dude? Like you couldn't just come up to this next circle and go around to do that? And she was looking at you like...
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover